So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can automatically enable battery saver mode at custom battery level. If you don't know, by default Apple provides you the battery saver automation at 20%, but if you want it to manual level, just simply in the app library search shortcut. Simply open this shortcut application, and this below option, just simply go to this option of automation. Once you are there, simply tap on this option of plus over top right corner. Once you click over there, here you're gonna see uh, in the search bar, simply search battery level. And here after you can easily change it. First of all, select at what battery level you want to enable it. For example, if I set it to 30% and set it to below false 30%, hit next. And in this here search battery saver, you can directly search here set low power mode. Here you can see. Now hit done, and now automatically your battery saver mode will be enabled once your battery falls below 30%, or you can customize it as per your need. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.